Welcome, fellow explorers, to an enchanting journey that transcends the ordinary and delves into the very essence of Germany. Close your eyes and picture it, cobblestone streets echoing with the whispers of bygone eras, where every stone tells a story of centuries past. Imagine serene landscapes unfolding before your eyes like a meticulously woven tapestry, each meadow and mountain a stroke in a canvas of natural beauty. As we step onto this vibrant terrain, we are met with a culture that is both dynamic and deeply rooted, a harmonious blend of tradition and innovation waiting to be discovered. Germany, a nation that thrives on contrasts, invites us to unravel its mysteries, to peel back the layers of history, and to immerse ourselves in a year-round odyssey. Today, we embark on a journey through the kaleidoscope of seasons, the pulsating energy of festivals, and the captivating wonders of a culture that make this country truly exceptional. So, fasten your seatbelts, open your hearts, and get ready to uncover the treasures that lie in the heart of Germany. As the first delicate blooms of spring unfold across Germany, from March to May, the landscape undergoes a breathtaking transformation. Nature, like a master painter, uses a vibrant palette to create a symphony of colors. The air is not just crisp, it's infused with the intoxicating and sweet scent of cherry blossoms, creating an olfactory delight that accompanies every step. Imagine meadows carpeted with hues of green and gold, inviting a leisurely exploration of hidden gems that come alive during this season of renewal. Easter traditions and May Day celebrations become the cultural tapestry that sets the stage for the festivities that define spring in Germany. Streets adorned with colorful processions, traditional dances, and the joyful ringing of church bells characterize the Easter celebrations. May Day, with its roots in ancient pagan traditions, marks the arrival of warmer days, and communities come together for lively parades and festivals. The Stuttgart Spring Beer Festival, a hallmark of conviviality, captures the spirit of the season. This gathering invites locals and visitors alike to revel in the harmony of tradition and modernity, offering a taste of local brews accompanied by lively music and traditional German cuisine. The atmosphere is one of joyous celebration, where friendships are forged over a shared appreciation for the rich cultural heritage of beer in Germany. As we traverse the romantic road, a scenic route adorned with medieval villages and fairy-tale-like castles, our imagination is captivated. The medieval charm emanating from these historical sites serves as a testament to Germany's rich history. Villages with cobblestone streets, half-timbered houses, and majestic castles transport us back in time, offering a glimpse into the country's cultural roots. Yet, spring in Germany is not confined to the outdoors, it extends into the cultural soul of the nation. We find ourselves immersed in the refined ambience of classical music concerts echoing through grand concert halls. Art exhibitions grace major cities, showcasing the creativity and talent of German artists. The streets become a canvas for cultural expression, merging the contemporary with the historical. Outdoor activities beckon, drawing us into the embrace of nature. Hiking trails wind through picturesque landscapes, revealing a Germany that goes beyond the postcard scenes. As we traverse these paths, each step becomes a connection with the natural wonders that define the country's diverse topography. In this season of renewal and cultural flourish, spring in Germany beckons us to appreciate the beauty that emerges when tradition, nature, and the arts intertwine. It's an invitation to not just witness, but actively participate in the unfolding tapestry of colors and traditions that make Germany a destination of unparalleled charm. As autumn, September to November, unfolds, Germany undergoes a stunning transformation, donning a new palette that paints the landscapes with hues of gold and amber. The crisp temperatures not only signal the arrival of the harvest season, but also set the stage for a visual spectacle as the foliage transforms into a rich tapestry of fall colors. It's a time when nature itself becomes an artist, creating a breathtaking backdrop for the festivities and cultural experiences that await. Oktoberfest in Munich stands out as the quintessential autumn celebration, capturing the essence of German merriment. Traditional music fills the air as locals and visitors alike gather to revel in the hearty cuisine and, of course, the world-renowned beer. The lively atmosphere, with vibrant tents and Bavarian traditions, creates a sense of camaraderie that defines the spirit of Oktoberfest. The Frankfurt Book Fair emerges as a literary haven, where authors and readers converge in a celebration of the written word. It's not just an event, it's a cultural pilgrimage that showcases Germany's rich literary heritage and its commitment to fostering a love for literature. As we navigate through the myriad of bookstalls, we witness the power of words to connect and inspire. Savoring the flavors of the Stuttgart Beer Festival becomes a sensory journey through the regional beer culture. The festival offers a unique blend of local brews, traditional fare, and a convivial atmosphere. Meanwhile, exploring the medieval traditions of Nuremberg's Old Town Festival immerses us in a world where history comes alive. The cobblestone streets echo with tales of the past, and the air is filled with the spirit of medieval festivities. Beyond the lively festivals, autumn in Germany invites us to explore the refined realms of classical music concerts and art exhibitions. The cultural scene flourishes as orchestras resonate with timeless melodies, and galleries showcase the works of both established and emerging artists. It's a season where creativity flourishes, offering a deeper understanding of the artistic spirit that permeates the German landscape. Delving into the cultural significance of Oktoberfest, we uncover more than just a beer festival. It becomes a lens through which we glimpse into the social fabric of Germany. The beer culture, deeply ingrained in traditions and communal gatherings, reflects a sense of identity and shared history. As we lift our steins in a collective Prost, we become part of a cultural tapestry that spans generations. Winter, December to February, transforms Germany into a fairy tale realm. The chill in the air becomes the backdrop for a canvas adorned with snow-laden landscapes, and the sweet aroma of mulled wine becomes synonymous with festive magic. Winter in Germany is not merely a season, it's a journey into traditions and a celebration of the enchanting atmosphere that transcends the ordinary. Our winter journey unfolds amidst the enchanting Nuremberg Christkindlesmarkt. The air is saturated with the comforting scent of gingerbread, and the twinkle of lights creates an ethereal atmosphere. It's a market that goes beyond commerce. It's a cultural experience where the craftsmanship of artisans, the warmth of seasonal treats, and the enchanting holiday spirit converge. The Berlin International Film Festival, Berlinale, adds a touch of glamour to the winter chill. It's not just about movies. It's a celebration of cinematic artistry that draws filmmakers, actors, and film enthusiasts from around the world. The red carpet becomes a stage where stories unfold, and the festival becomes a cultural melting pot that transcends borders. Exploring the festive cheer of Cologne Carnival becomes a journey into the heart of winter revelry. It's a carnival that defies the chill, infusing the streets with vibrant parades, colorful costumes, and an infectious sense of celebration. Meanwhile, witnessing the prowess of winter sports in the Bavarian and Black Forest regions adds an adventurous twist to our winter exploration. Winter in Germany is not just about festivities, it's a time for traditions that resonate through the centuries. From Christmas customs to classical concerts, we delve into the cultural richness that defines Germany's winter magic. The festive atmosphere becomes an integral part of our cultural experience, as we embrace the timeless traditions that connect us to the heart of German heritage. Stepping back, we appreciate Germany's year-round treasures. Historical landmarks in Berlin, UNESCO World Heritage sites scattered across the country, and the wealth of museums and art galleries beckon exploration. Each site becomes a portal, unfolding a chapter in Germany's storied past and offering a glimpse into the diverse tapestry of its history and culture. Germany's culinary landscape is a journey in itself. From the hearty flavors of Bavarian cuisine to the delicate wines of the Rhine, our taste buds embark on a gastronomic adventure. Regional specialties come to life, each dish telling a story of tradition, innovation, and the rich agricultural heritage that defines German cuisine. Beer and wine tastings become more than a sensory experience. They become a journey through the terroir of Germany, where the flavors of the land are celebrated. To navigate Germany seamlessly, we delve into practical travel tips. Transportation options, language nuances, and cultural etiquette become our guide, ensuring that our journey is not just immersive, but also smooth. It's more than knowing how to get from one place to another. It's about embracing the local customs, respecting traditions, and connecting with the vibrant communities that make Germany a welcoming and diverse destination. As our year-round odyssey through Germany comes to an end, we find ourselves not only enriched by the landscapes, festivals, and cultural wonders, but also connected to the heart of a nation that invites us to explore, learn, and savor each moment. Germany is not just a destination, it's an immersive experience that lingers in the soul, echoing the rhythm of its seasons and the warmth of its cultural tapestry. As our odyssey through Germany draws to a close, we stand at a metaphorical crossroads, having traversed the diverse landscapes of seasons, immersed ourselves in the cultural wonders that breathe life into this nation, and indulged in the delightful culinary offerings that reflect its rich diversity. The beauty of Germany lies not just in its picturesque landscapes, but in the soul that reveals itself in every corner, in every tradition, and in every flavor. Beneath the cherry blossoms of spring, we witness the rebirth of nature and the vibrant traditions that mark this season. In the festivities of summer, we felt the pulse of the nation, vibrating with the energy of festivals, music, and outdoor adventures. Amid the hues of autumn, we marveled at the harvest traditions and the rich cultural tapestry that paints the landscapes in golden shades. Enveloped in the winter magic, we experienced the warmth of festive cheer and the timeless traditions that make Germany a winter wonderland. Germany, in all its seasonal glory, extends an invitation, a call to discover its soul. It's an immersion into a living tapestry, where each thread represents a unique facet of the country's past, present, and future. The rhythm of Germany, like a heartbeat, resonates through every step of our adventure. It's in the laughter of festivals, the solemnity of historical sites, the harmony of cultural events, and the taste of local cuisines. This journey is more than just a tour through a country, it's an intimate exploration, a dance with the spirit of Germany. It's about forging a connection with a nation that whispers its stories through ancient cobblestone streets, resonates in the halls of grand museums, and lingers in the aroma of hearty German meals. As we tailor our journey, we become a part of this living tapestry, contributing our own thread to the intricate weave of Germany's story. Now, we have come to the end of the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed some of the information that I was able to share with you today. If you guys enjoyed the video and found it informative, please feel free to let me know down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more of such travel-related videos. If you are interested in even more travel content, then feel free to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest, where you can find an abundance of such content. You can even visit our website at travelupic.com to get some cool travel gear for your next travel venture. The links will be in the description below. It will be greatly appreciated. So, until next time, as we bid farewell with the heartfelt Auf Wiedersehen, let the memories linger, the experiences echo, and the rhythm of Germany accompany us on our onward adventures. May the essence of this odyssey stay with us, a reminder that every season, every cultural marvel, and every culinary delight has added a stroke to the masterpiece that is Germany. Prost to the memories made, the stories shared, and the beauty discovered in the heart of Europe.